Dear viewers, welcome back to School of Civil Engineering. We are going to start a new tutorial series about Tekla structures. And in this series, I'm just going to show you from basic to advanced level that how we'll use Tekla structure perfectly. As I know, I'll try to share with you. So first of all, what we'll do, I'll just open our software. So here Tekla structure, and in this lecture I'm just going to show you that how we'll change the background color of that software. Okay, so here we have to select environment if they have an environment and configuration. So for what you are going to work, I mean for what configuration, engineering or river detailing, primary or anything, just I'll use full. Okay, then I'll just click OK, and here from here you have to select the model, or you have to create new. So I'm just using any of it, so just new model. Okay, then open. So after opening, I'll just click here. So to change the background color, you are seeing that they have a background, but if you want to change the background color, then what you will do actually, simply click here and just go setting, and from here go to advanced setting or advanced option, and from here obviously go to the model view. Okay, if you have any view here, just go to here and select model view, and you will see here color 1, background color 1, color 2, color 3 and color 4. So they have 4 types of background color. And if you want to change your background, okay, if you want to change your background, then you have to change all of that color. Now where you will get that color, right? Where you will get that color. So to change that color, just you have to go to online to get that color code. So for that, simply open a browser and write here Tekla color card, Tekla color card here, right? Tekla color card, and from here you will see color card Tekla. So simply click here and see they have huge types of color. They have huge types of color, and you have to, if you want to use any of that, then you can do that. Simply, if I want to change you are seeing the background here. So if you see here, I think like that, or any color from here you can select, or in that types of color like that. So when you are selecting a color, after that simply copy that code, Tekla structures background. So copy, right click and copy, carefully copy that code and come to your software, and first of all for color 1 give that value, and for color 2 again will come here, and suppose if we want to use that color, again similarly Ctrl C, then here right click, paste again. Suppose if you want to use that color also, then copy and come here and just give here, again select any other color. So here I'm selecting that color, or that color like that. So I'm just copying. Actually you have to select color, similar color with some different change. It will be okay to use, and it will give a great look. So I'm just pasting here. So I have pasted all of that data, all of that color code, and after that I'll simply click apply. Okay, and after that click OK. After apply, click OK. So you are seeing that they have no change here, they have no change. So when we have applied, then what do we have to do? We have to just restart that software. So for that I'll just close that. We can click here, don't save, no problem. I'll just close that software, and again I will reopen that software. So I'm just closing that. I'll just reopen that software and see what happened. So after that, again full, okay, and wait for some time and see it's have changed or not. So here select any of it, then click open and wait for some time. So now see the color have changed, right? Here we're seeing that the background color have changed perfectly. So in this way you are able to use your background color, or you are able to change your background color as per your requirement. And also if you want that, I will leave some also if you want that, I will leave some point, then again just come here. So after that, come here, setting, so after that you have to click here advanced option, and from here you are able to delete any of that data. Okay, you are able to delete any of the data, like we have input. So after that you have to restart, and I hope it will be okay. So thank you very much. Stay connected till next video.